How to watch replays on Fortnite. So first, just simply click on your profile here at the top right. Then click on settings. Once you're there, you just simply need to click on the controller with the settings icon right there at the top. Then scroll down till you see the replay section right here. So make sure that the record replays are turned on. And if you want to record large team replays, you could turn this on too. And if for the creative replays, you want to turn it on, just simply click on it. And for the record high quality replays, just click on this also. But once that's done and you've turned it on, go back. And once you play a game and it's done, after you're done playing the game, go to your career right here at the top and click on the replays here at the bottom right. Once you're there, you will see all the games that you have played and it will be set to unsaved replay. And if you want to save it, you just simply need to click on that particular replay and you could either play it first if you want, or you could just simply rename and save it right here. And of course, you could simply click on open replay folder to open the folder where the replays can be seen. And that's basically it.